Hey everyone, Linus here. Computers, right? They're amazing when they work, but can be a real pain when they don't. Knowing some basic repair skills can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Instead of running to the tech guy every time something goes wrong, why not learn to fix it yourself? It's not as scary as you might think. With a little knowledge and the right tools, you can conquer common computer problems and keep your machine running smoothly. So, let's dive in and get you comfortable under the hood of your PC. We've all been there. You're trying to finish some work or watch a video and your computer decides to slow to a crawl. Ugh, the worst. What causes this digital lethargy? Several culprits could be to blame. One common issue is a lack of RAM. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. If it's full, things slow down. Another possibility is a fragmented hard drive. Imagine your hard drive as a filing cabinet. Over time, files get scattered, making it harder for your computer to find them. Viruses and malware can also bog down your system. These nasty programs run in the background, consuming resources and causing havoc. Few things strike fear into a computer user's heart like the dreaded blue screen of death, or BSOD. 1 minute you're working away and the next, bam, a blue screen with cryptic error messages. Don't panic. While a BSOD can indicate a serious problem, it's often fixable. One common cause is driver issues. Drivers are like translators between your hardware and software. If they're outdated or corrupted, it can lead to a BSOD. Hardware failure, such as a failing hard drive or RAM module, can also trigger a BSOD. This is more serious but still fixable with the right know-how. Overheating is another potential culprit. If your computer's cooling system isn't working properly, components can overheat and cause a crash. Sometimes the problem isn't software-related but stems from your computer's physical components. This is where things can get a bit more hands-on. One common hardware issue is a failing hard drive. Signs of a dying drive include strange noises, frequent crashes, and data corruption. RAM can also go bad, leading to slow performance, crashes, and error messages. Luckily, replacing RAM is a relatively easy fix. Other hardware problems include a faulty power supply, a malfunctioning graphics card, or even a broken motherboard. Diagnosing these issues often requires some troubleshooting. Section 5. Your Tech Toolkit, Essential Tools for Computer Repair. Ready to get your hands dirty? Before you start tinkering, you'll need the right tools. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy workshop. A few essential tools will suffice for most basic repairs. First up, a Phillips head screwdriver is a must-have. It's used to open computer cases and install or remove components. Next, you'll want an anti-static wrist strap. This prevents static electricity from damaging sensitive electronic components. A can of compressed air is handy for blowing out dust and debris from your computer's interior. Dust buildup can cause overheating and other problems. Finally, a good work area is essential. A clear, well-lit workspace will make your repair tasks easier and less frustrating. Section 6. Software saviors, programs that keep your PC healthy. In addition to physical tools, several software programs can help you maintain and repair your computer. These digital tools can identify and fix a wide range of issues. First on the list is a good antivirus program. This is your first line of defense against viruses, malware, and other online threats. A system cleaner can help remove junk files, temporary files, and other clutter that can slow down your computer. Scleaner is a popular option. A disk defragmenter optimizes your hard drive by rearranging fragmented files, making your computer faster and more efficient. For driver issues, a driver updater can automatically scan for and install the latest drivers for your hardware. This can prevent many blue screens of death and other problems. Section 7. Step-by-step troubleshooting, a guide to common issues. Now that you have your tools and software, let's walk through some common computer problems and how to fix them. Problem: slow computer. 1. Check your RAM usage. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, and see if any programs are using excessive RAM. 2. Run a virus scan. A virus or malware could be slowing your system down. 3. Close unnecessary programs. The fewer programs running, the more resources available for other tasks. 4. Restart your computer. This can often resolve temporary glitches. 5. Consider upgrading your RAM. If your computer is consistently slow, adding more RAM can make a big difference. Problem: blue screen of death 1. Note the error message. The error message can provide clues about the cause of the blue screen of death. 2. Boot into safe mode. This starts Windows with minimal drivers, which can help isolate the problem. 3. Update your drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of blue screens of death. 4. Check for hardware issues. Run diagnostics on your hard drive and RAM to rule out hardware failure. Section 8. Preventative care tips for a healthy computer. Just like a car, your computer needs regular maintenance to stay in tip-top shape. Here are some tips to keep your PC running smoothly. Keep your system clean. Dust your computer regularly and use compressed air to blow out dust from vents and fans. Update your software. Regularly install operating system updates, driver updates, and software updates. Backup your data. Regularly back up your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Be mindful of what you download. Avoid downloading files from untrusted sources. Use a surge protector. Protect your computer from power surges. Section 9. Conclusion: level up your tech skills and save. Congratulations! You've learned some essential computer repair skills that can save you time, money, and frustration. Remember, troubleshooting computer problems is like solving a puzzle. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to becoming your own tech support. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. And hey, if you ever get stuck, the Linus Tech Tips community is always here to help.